Guys, welcome to another tutorial on IT.tutorials. I am Josef Botnar. I'm continuing the series of SQL Server 2019 tutorials. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. I'm going to make an overview about this tool, which is used to connect to SQL Server and to create databases, to create tables, and to write SQL statements. So first of all, you have to launch the tool, the Management Studio. You go on the Start button, click on it, and here choose a letter. And I'm going to choose M from Microsoft, and you have to select this option, Microsoft SQL Server Tools 18. Click on this arrow to expand this folder, and here you will find the Management Studio. It is about this option, Microsoft SQL Server Management. Click on it, and your Management Studio is releasing now. Actually, this is the version 18.4, as you can see. So here you go. This is the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. What you get first is this dialog window for connecting to a SQL Server. As you can see here, the name is very suggestive, Connect to Server. So what we've got here, the server type, in my case the database engine, the server name, the authentication. Because I have used this option, Windows authentication, during the installation process, I'm going to leave this. But if you chosen SQL Server authentication, you need to have a password to be able to connect to SQL Server. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to select again Windows authentication and click on Connect button to connect to SQL Server. Here you go. At this moment, I'm connected to SQL Server, and what I found here. So here up, it is this horizontal menu. As usual, we've got a file. Here you can connect again the SQL Server if you want. The same, as you can see, the same connecting dialog window. If you want to disconnect the Object Explorer, and so on. I go here on View menu, click on it, and here you've got this toolbar, so you can customize the toolbars. You can select different toolbars. In this moment, I selected these two toolbars, SQL Editor and Standard. As well, you can customize your toolbars as you want. You go here and select one of these options. Also, as you can see, I don't have the properties window launched here. You can't see the properties window because it is not launched. If you want to release the properties window, you go on the View menu, and here down you will find this option, Properties window. Click on it, and the property window will be launched here on the right side. I'm going to close this. Also, now, as you can see, this Management Studio, when you launch it, this Object Explorer will come here, will be fixed here, but you can close it by mistake or whatever. Yeah, let me to close it. So if you want to release it again, you just go here on View, click on it, and the Object Explorer is the first option on this menu list, and click on it, and you will see again this Object Explorer window. You pay attention for this pin. As you can see now, the direction of the pin is down. is vertical posture. That means this window is fixed. So the window doesn't float now because this pin is directed down. Yeah. If I give a click on it, you will see now the Object Explorer was hidden. Yeah. If I give a click again here on Object Explorer, this window will be open again. You can see the window again. That means this window at this moment is floating because this pin now is directed horizontal, as you can see. Yeah. Now this is the position, which means this window can float. If you don't want the window to be able floating, you just change the direction of this pin with a click on it, and now this window, this Object Explorer window is fixed. As you can see, when the pin is directed down and the posture is vertical like now. What you can see inside the Object Explorer is the name of the server. You can shrink the components which are part of this server, or you can expand the server and you can visualize all the components which is part of this server. Very important component is this databases as well. When you see this plus icon here, or plus button, that means this component is shrinked. Yeah. Give a click on it. You see how the icon was changed, or the button. You have there a minus, and that means the component was expanded. And here you have system databases, which are the databases which came along with the SQL Server when this was installed. Yeah. And if I try to expand this component, database snapshots, you will see I don't have anything in it because here will come the databases which I'm going to create in the next video tutorials. Because I don't have any databases in it, that means I haven't created any database so far. Okay. Also, you have to know, if you go here on Tools menu, you have these options where you can set your tool, your Management Studio tool. Yeah, your environment. You have here general settings. Yeah, the font and the colors, and for the project, for the text editor, and so on. You can change, or you can leave the settings as default, as they come default. Yeah. Very important is the help, in my opinion. If you go here on this menu and click on View Help, this will take you to original Microsoft website where you will find a lot of value information about Management Studio, about Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and you can come here when you encounter a problem or a question and you need an answer. You just come here. You have here a search box, and you type what you're looking for, and most of the time you will find the answer for your questions. Yeah. Also, you have this new query here. If you give a click on it, let me to close the properties window. I don't need it. This will launch the SQL editor, where you will type the transact SQL commands or statements. Yeah. So you have this option when you create a database or a table to type the transact SQL commands in this editor, or you can use the graphical interface. You go here, for example, select databases, right click, and you select new database if you want to create a database. So that was all about Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. This video tutorial had a goal to make an overview about this tool, about Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. I'm waiting for you to watch my other video tutorials. See you next time. Bye bye.